Let's go, Toe Bomb.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Sticks is there.
Yeah, let's go, Sticks.
Yeah.
Second Nature, Bay Bombers. It's an honor. Y'all ready? I'm ready. Judges, you ready?
Are we
They
ready?
Judge Jones, you ready? They ready. Crowd, you ready?
Are you ready?
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
5 minutes. This side over here is Second Nature. That side over there is Bay Bombers. You are all alive. 2-year anniversary. Let's go. 5 minutes. Crowd, make some noise.
Go, Alan.
It's battle time! No holding back. Go all out. Go all out. Come on.
7 minutes, y'all. 7 minutes.
Look at the style. Look at the freshness. Yes, yes, yes.
Second Nature.
Singapore, exploring the floor, rocking some more. Nature, nature, nature.
Whoa. Hey, crowd, if you see something you like, you gotta make noise so the judges can hear you. That's guap.
Details. Let's go.
He's repping Second Nature. That's Bay Bombers stepping up.
B-A-Y. Come on, come on. Bring the fire, bring the thunder. Bring that lava, bring that heat, that cool heat, that urban beat. Whatever it takes. I want to break.
Hit him with a rewind. I see you, Scar.
Come on. Warrior. Hey, bombers.
Come on. That's Kurt. Second Nature. Hey, crowd, make sure y'all get some energy. If you give energy, you get it back.
100% natural, second nature. Check his behavior. A true hip-hop neighbor. SF hip-hop. And it's all the way loud. Yeah. He's not done. Oh, he's going for the extra burn. You must learn. Making it look too easy. Come on.
Bay Bombers stepping out. He got that Wu-Tang shirt on.
Bomb. Woo 60 seconds. 55. And not in B-boy time either. So take your time and hurry it up. Blow it up. Tear it up. Keep it going, keep it going. 22 seconds.
Oh, that's powerful. 18 seconds.
B-girl, power flow.
Oh,
All day.
oh, they like that. They like that out there, judges. All right, that's time. That's time. Crowd, make some noise for these two crews. Second Nature and Bay Bombers.
Oh, man.
Hug it up, hug it up, hug it up, hug it up. Next up, on your right, we got Floor Gangs. On your left, we got